Hey, sup everybody, BMS Lou here. Welcome to another short video. So, while I was on my Walt Disney World trip, I decided to purchase a little something. So, I just got the package, and fragile, handle with care. Let's see if they can handle with care. Well, I'm kind of nervous because it is obviously breakable. We will see, but this video is in correspondence with my short mini series of vlogs that I'm putting up from my recent Walt Disney World vacation, or a weekend trip, pretty much. I was gone for the weekend. So what did I get? Let's go ahead and unbox this. I hope it's okay. Okay, let's unbox. Okay, when all is said and done, I suppose it did arrive, not broken, so I suppose there was a little care there, but my Spaceship Earth cookie jar, I got it. I've been wanting this for a few months, and it sold out initially real quick last fall, and then now it came back, and when I saw it on my trip, I thought I had to get it. So there it is. Now I just need cookies. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll see you on the next. Take care.